Welcome back to Bike Future Hub, your go-to place for everything on two wheels. Today, we bring you an exclusive detailed review of the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Corleo, a name that's already turning heads with its futuristic design and thrilling performance. If you're a rider who craves innovation wrapped in aggressive street style, then this machine deserves your full attention. As soon as you lay your eyes on the Corleo, it immediately asserts its presence. The front profile is bold and sharply designed, featuring a dual LED headlamp setup that resembles the piercing gaze of a predator. The DRLs curve aggressively, integrated seamlessly into the front cowl, and the aerodynamically sculpted windshield adds both visual drama and high-speed wind protection. The front fender is minimally yet edgy, contributing to a sporty look that screams performance even when standing still. Shifting to the side, the Corleo boasts muscular lines and aggressive tank shrouds that enhance its Streetfighter appeal. The fuel tank, sharply contoured and ergonomically designed, not only adds to the aesthetics but also allows for a comfortable grip while cornering. The split-seat setup sits beautifully against the sharply rising tail section, emphasizing its sporty DNA. The exposed trellis frame finished in Kawasaki's iconic green adds a raw, mechanical touch that will definitely be appreciated by enthusiasts. The short exhaust pipe, a stubby yet stylish shape, gives the bike a compact and race-ready silhouette. From the rear, the Corleo maintains its aggressive attitude. The tail light is a slim LED strip that blends neatly into the tail, and the rear tire hugger gives a clean and neat appearance, especially when you notice the monoshock peeking from underneath. The tail end is sharp, high-mounted, and gives the bike an unmistakably sporty stance. Every angle of this bike has been thoughtfully designed to reflect the future of urban motorcycling. Powering the 2025 Kawasaki Corleo is a liquid-cooled, single-cylinder 249cc engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox. This power plant is tuned to deliver responsive throttle performance, making it ideal for both city traffic and spirited weekend rides. With around 29 horsepower and 22 Nm of torque, the Corleo balances power and efficiency perfectly, making it one of the most exciting offerings in the quarter-liter category. On the road, the Corleo impresses with its light handling and responsive steering geometry. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension setup are tuned to absorb bumps while offering crisp feedback during aggressive cornering. The slipper clutch enhances downshifting smoothness, and dual-channel ABS ensures confident braking in all conditions. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced weight distribution give riders exceptional control, even at higher speeds. In terms of pricing, Kawasaki has managed to strike a fine balance. The 2025 Corleo comes in at an expected price of around $4,500 to $4,800, making it an affordable yet premium choice in its class. It sits comfortably between the beginner and intermediate segment, perfect for new riders ready to upgrade, or seasoned bikers wanting a fun city machine without breaking the bank. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Kawasaki Corleo is more than just a motorcycle, it's a bold statement. From its aggressive styling to its thrilling performance and future-ready tech, this bike is built to dominate the streets and impress with every rev. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, the Corleo delivers a perfect blend of style, substance, and sheer ride joy. Thanks for watching this detailed review. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more awesome bike content. Ride safe and see you in the next one.